YouTube? Sorry to be so up close and personal today. I want to show you guys how I cut my curly hair. I think as someone with curly hair my whole life, I've always believed that I would have to straighten my hair and then cut it, and that is a major no-no for curly girls. So I just wanted to show you guys how I do mine. I do it curl by curl, and that sounds extremely intimidating, but it's not. So I'm going to use a hair cutting scissor. Do not use just any scissor. This one was maybe $30. I bought it on Amazon. I will link it in the description below. So I'm just going to show you guys how I do it. There's no real special science to it for me. I'm not a professional hairdresser by any means. So basically you just can roll with me or not roll with me. But so basically what I do is just kind of like section it off. And I highly recommend you only do this on like day 1 or day 2 hair. I think a lot of times if you wait to do day 3, 4 hair, a lot of curls will look frizzy and damaged when really it's not damaged hair, it just is frizzy. So I'm just going to section it off like so, and then you look at your curls and you assess if something looks healthy or damaged. And so I did years ago bleach my hair, and I still have a little bit of that hair left, and so I've been slowly cutting it out over the years. So this curl is a really good example of what damaged hair looks like. So as you can see, the spiral has been damaged from there. So yes, it seems like a lot of hair to cut, but I'm going to cut it like this right there. And that's important because we are trying to get healthy hair. And so yes, you are cutting the length of your hair, but the payoff in the end is 100% worth it. And so when I notice the spiral is damaged, I'm going to just go ahead and cut it. And I'm comfortable cutting this much because I straightened my hair recently and I realized that it did look pretty damaged. And so I'm willing to lose some length so that I can have a healthy head of curls. And so some you're not going to have to cut as much, like this curl right here. I would just cut right about here, so not as much. And over time you're going to make all your hair healthy, that cutting it is going to be a very, very small trim and you won't be losing a lot of hair. So I don't think this takes me more than 30 minutes to do. So, and I don't really have like, I'm not parting my hair because I'm trying my best not to damage the curls. So I literally just separate one from the other, notice where the unhealthy hair is, chop, chop. And this is important to do, so you guys are seeing that I'm willing to lose a little bit of length for a payoff in the long run. another thing that's important is to never ever use these scissors for anything else other than cutting your hair. It will dull the scissors, and that is not good. So I'm 100% done. It literally took me 10 minutes. I'm at the 10-minute mark on the camera. This is all of the hair that I cut off. Some were longer than others, and others were just a little bit. And so it's very important to do this to help maintain healthy hair and just to keep your hair, to help your hair grow, and it's good to foster and nurture your hair. So you don't have to do a lot, you can do a little bit at a time. So I didn't damage my hair too much, and I kept the length still, but I do think it's important to touch up your hair and to cut it and give it some trims to keep your hair healthy and allow it to continue to grow. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, comment down below. Please like and subscribe, and let me know if you have any ideas for new videos. Thank you guys. Have a great day.